Hey, I'm Fowler, and I'm thinking about just some fall cleanup right now. I am standing in front of one of our easiest to maintain products in the entire industry, which is Polywood and Poly Lumber. But the cleaning's pretty much the same throughout all of our products, whether it's aluminum or poly lumber, cushions, whatever. We primarily just say, hey, take it outside, wash it with a hose with soap and water. Use a light detergent, just like you'd use in the kitchen. If you need a scrub brush for something a little tough, use that. Maybe just a foam. Sponge is great. I like to use a pump-up sprayer. So just like this here, and all we're going to do is just get it wet. So spray it down first. Sorry, and then a little bit of soap here, all over. And that's just a solution of water and soap. If I need to, I can use a little bit of bleach. If it's umbrella fabric, oftentimes I don't need to. Then you're just gonna kind of wash it down. Really easy here. Just like that. If there's anything tough, use the scrub brush. Other than that, we're just gonna hose it off. Just remember, you wanna get it wet first, then use your soap, and then rinse it off. It's kind of like washing a car. I'm Fowler. Come see us today.